Dear children, I welcome you all to online class. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents. Let's recall what we have learned last week. We learned some of the scientists, namely Dr. ABJ Abdul Kalam, Sir C.V. Raman, and also we learned about some of the changes that takes place around us. They are reversible change and irreversible change. Today we are going to learn about the waste generated in our environment. Waste like household waste, waste from schools. Also we are going to learn about disposal waste and how to reduce the waste. First we'll learn new words. Waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste. Waste means no purpose or no use. Waste, no purpose or no use. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Environment means the surroundings where we live. Environment means the surroundings where we live. Disposal. D-I-S-P-O-S-A-L. D-I-S-P-O-S-A-L. Disposal means process of getting rid of something. Process of getting rid of something. Reduce. R-E-D-U-C-E. R-E-D-U-C-E. Reduce means make smaller or less in amount or size. Make smaller or less in amount or size. Management. M-A-N-A-G-E-M-E-N-T. Management. Management means the process of dealing with or controlling things or people. The process of dealing with or controlling things or people. Biodegradable. B-I-O-D-E-G-R-A-D-A-B-L-E. Biodegradable means capable of being decomposed by bacteria and thereby avoiding pollution. Capable of being decomposed by bacteria and thereby avoiding pollution. Now we are going to learn about waste generated in our environment. Waste generated in our environment. What is waste? Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. It is worthless, defective, and of no use. It is worthless, defective, and of no use. They are unwanted and undesirable materials. They are unwanted and undesirable materials. Some waste cannot be used. Some waste can be used again. Waste is divided into two. Household waste, waste from school. Waste is divided into household waste and waste from school. Household waste. What is household waste? Waste from home is known as household waste. Waste from home is known as household waste. Solid waste disposed from home and apartments comprise of garbage and rubbish, that is bottles, cans, clothing, compost, disposable items, food packings, newspapers, magazines, and trimmings. We can classify the household waste as below. Organic waste, kitchen waste, vegetable, flowers, leaves, fruits. Organic waste are kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, and fruits. Toxic waste, that is poisonous. Old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticide, containers, batteries, shoe polish. Toxic wastes are old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticide, containers, batteries, and shoe polish. These things should be kept away from children. Recyclable waste that can be used again. Paper, glass, metals, plastics can be used again. Solid waste, clothes soiled with blood and other body fluids. Clothes soiled with blood and other body fluids. E-waste, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulbs. Computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulbs. Do you know 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year worldwide? E-waste comprises 70% of our overall toxic waste. E-waste contains hundreds of substances of which many are toxic, that is poisonous. Activity 4. Collect the waste from your house before it is thrown into dustbin. Separate them into two groups. Group 1. Garbage from the kitchen like fruit and vegetable peel, eggshells, waste food, tea leaves, newspapers, dry leaves and paper bags. The garbage from the kitchen can be dumped into a pit in a garden where it can be decomposed and used as manure. The kitchen waste can be dumped into a pit in a garden where it can be decomposed and used as manure. Group 2. Pieces of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, nails, old shoes and broken toys. Group 2. Pieces of cloth, polythene bags, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, nails, old shoes and broken toys. Find out how you can dispose them properly. Glass, plastic metals can be sent for recycling. Glass, plastic metals can be sent for recycling. Next we learn about waste from school. Waste from school. You leave many waste materials inside your classrooms and throw away many things in the school campus. If they are not collected and disposed properly, your environment will be polluted. Papers, pen and its parts, blades, chocolate covers and plastic items are found in the school environment. The single most common material generated in schools is food waste. Food is not only wasted, but it is also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean. Food is not only wasted, but it is also thrown away everywhere, making your surrounding unclean. In a survey conducted, it is found that food waste accounts for 23.9% of the total waste generated in the school, and recyclable paper like cardboard, white paper and mixed papers accounted for 23.5% of the total waste. To keep our surrounding clean, we need to have a proper waste disposal system. We have to have a proper waste disposal system. Everyone in our state capital Chennai contributed 700 grams of waste every day. It is the highest in our country. Need for proper disposal of waste. Need for proper disposal of waste. With so much of waste lying everywhere, what do you think that we should do? With so much of waste lying everywhere, what do you think that we should do? We urgently need a proper waste management system. We urgently need a proper waste management system. Waste management is needed for the following reasons: to control pollution. Various pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution can be avoided. Various pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution can be avoided. To conserve natural resources. To conserve natural resources. Waste disposal is important for the conservation of our environment resources like forest, minerals, and water. To control spread of diseases. To control spread of diseases. Spread of infectious diseases can be controlled. Spread of infectious diseases can be controlled. Recycle for further use. Waste can be recycled to get products for further use. Waste can be recycled to get products for further use. What are the ways to reduce waste? What are the ways to reduce waste? The best place to start changes is our home. The best place to start changes is our home. We need to learn how to reduce, reuse, and recycle waste. We need to learn how to reduce, reuse, and recycle waste. The following practices will be helpful to reduce waste in our home and school environment. Use reusable and recycled bags and containers. Avoid one-time use items and use items which can be used permanently. Segregate waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable items and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. Do not throw away your waste everywhere. Do not throw away your waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. Organic waste can be converted into manures. Organic waste can be converted into manures. So we have to reduce, reuse, recycle the waste. Today's homework: learn and write the new words 2 times. Thank you, children.